In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete header on Wix. Quick heads up before we start. In Wix, you can't truly delete the header at the site level, but you can hide it on any page where you want a clean, distraction-free layout. That's exactly what we'll do. By the end, you'll know how to remove the header and the footer from view on a specific page, which works perfectly for landing pages, splash screens, or focused promo pages. With your site open in the Wix editor, look to the left side of the screen and open the Pages panel. This is where all of your site's pages are listed, including regular and dynamic pages. Select the page where you want the header gone. We're targeting just this page, so nothing you do here will affect the header on the rest of your site. Keeping it page specific gives you flexibility without disrupting your overall design. Next, hover over that page in the list and click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens the Page Settings window for the page you picked. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure you actually have the correct page highlighted in the Pages panel. The options are contextual and change based on which page is selected. Inside Page Settings, switch to the Layout tab. Here's the key move. Choose the option labeled No Header and Footer. The moment you apply it, the editor canvas updates and you'll notice the header area disappears, along with the footer, giving your content full focus from top to bottom on that page. This doesn't delete anything. It simply hides those sections for this page only, so you can bring them back later if needed. A quick tip before you proceed. If your site navigation or logo lives in the header, plan an alternate way for visitors to move around on this specific page, such as a clear call to action that links to other pages. Hiding the header is great for conversion-focused pages, but you still want visitors to find their way back if they need to. Remember, the change is limited to the page you edited. Other pages keep their normal header and footer. If you change your mind, revisit the same layout panel and switch back to showing the header and footer. That's all there is to it. Open Pages, click the three dots, go to Settings, choose Layout, and set it to No Header and Footer. You've now effectively removed the header's appearance on that page while keeping your site structure intact.